Affordable doesn't necessarily mean bad. Sometimes affordable just means, well, fun. Just like in the case of the FUN60 from MonsGeek. I'm flabbergasted by this board, and I'll tell you why too. When you look at it, when you see the unboxing, what do you see? A 60% standard looking plastic board. It's very unassuming, it's more like a sleeper board. But my friends, despite its super low 40 bucks, 40 USD price point, this is a fully featured Hall effect board that has all the necessary features a competitive gamer might want. Yes, my friends, I'm talking about custom actuation board. I'm talking about universal 8K polling rate. I'm talking about mod tap, rapid trigger. They even have a rapid trigger filter, dynamic keystroke, and so on and so forth. And all of this with an online driver. Now, I could say, hey, hold on, you don't need to install anything because, there's an online driver, but you do need to install a Windows driver to be able to use the online driver. So there you go. You got all of the features there and you can customize this one to your heart's content. Honestly, for this kind of price point, I can't believe it. So let's be very clear. Who is this board for? If you fancy yourself a competitive gamer, if you want that edge, if you want those Hall effect switches and those Hall effect features that only Hall effect keyboards can have, but you don't want to break the bank, you want something affordable, reliable, that will get you that competitive edge, this is it. 40 bucks for the max version. Now, to get that 8000 Hz polling rate, you're gonna have to use the cable or the 2.4 GHz dongle, which of course is included in the box. You also get an USB cable that tucks in nicely. I do love the fact that it's like shaped to the base of the keyboard. Outside of that, what can I tell you? For this kind of price point, I don't know if you can ask a whole lot, but it also has custom RGB just in case. Now, some Hall effect keyboards are not really customizable from a switch perspective, but with this one, you can opt for either Windy Glare, Jade, Jade Pro, Jade Gaming, Uranus, and King switches. And after you change your switches, of course, you go into the online driver and you tell the keyboard exactly which switches you installed. And you can have, of course, different switches for different slots. So it's customizable even from a switch perspective. Again, all of this for 40 bucks. My friends, what exactly do you want more? I can only truly recommend the FUN60 Pro and the FUN60 Max. If you fancy yourself a competitive gamer and you don't want to splurge too much on a keyboard, perhaps you want to keep your budget within, let's say, more reasonable means, the FUN60 is definitely the way to go to get yourself that competitive edge without breaking the bank. And this is not a sponsored video by any stretch of the imagination. It's true, MonsGeek did send this over, this $40 board, but all of my thoughts and opinions are 100% my own, and I'm honestly impressed at what they could do for this kind of price point. I've been using this for a couple of weeks and I got absolutely no complaints. As always, my name has been Lazar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, favorite channel, subscribe only if you enjoy the content. Of course, you will find relevant links in the comment section and in the description down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ciao.